6 cooking functions. This convenient oven has the functionality to cook meals and snacks for every day and every need. Air fry, bake, roast, rotisserie, dehydrate and reheat cooking functions. 10 quick menu presets. One touch lets you perfectly cook fries, steak, cutlets, fish, shrimp, pizza, chicken, as well as bake, rotisserie, dehydrate or reheat. 12.6 XL capacity. Big enough to cook your entire meal with side dishes all at once. Cyclonic Crisping Technology. Power crisps your food with super speed hot air circulation. 75% less fat in your cooking. Get all the fried food taste without using all the traditional deep fryer oil. Breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks. You will be using the West Bend 12.6 XL air fryer oven every day for every cooking need. The Cyclonic Crisping Technology power crisps your food with super speed hot air circulation for fast, even cooking and crunchy, delicious guilt-free air frying with 75% less oil. But that's not all. You can also dehydrate fruits, veggies or jerky and use the rotisserie for mouthwatering roasts, chicken and more. The reheat function is the ideal solution for busy families who need quick, easy, on-the-fly meals. Top reviews from the United States. Wow, I am really excited to have this. My husband cooked a rotisserie chicken in it today, and it came out delicious. This can do so many things: bake, roast, dehydrate, air fry, reheat, etc. I made toast in it, too, because I wanted to move my toaster oven off the counter, and wanted to make sure this could replace everything we needed it to do. I do a lot of air frying, so I am excited to replace the air fryer with this. I do some dehydrating, but it's such a pain to get that machine out of storage, I've stopped using it. Now I'll have everything right on the counter in one. I actually got rid of my Instapot, and although this doesn't pressure cook, it can cook faster, so I am looking forward to using it this way as well. The rotisserie chicken my husband made is as good as what you get at the grocery store. Evenly cooked, crispy skin, tons of flavor, and watching it spin in the oven was really impressive. I'd like to make gyro meat at some point, too, that spins on a rotisserie spit. I am going to have to figure that one out. All in all, very happy about this and very excited to try and figure out how to take advantage of all it can do. Great addition to our kitchen. It came perfectly shiny. I didn't get all the protective peel-off glue off the front. That's what is on my pictures, those aren't scratches.